Hey everyone. So today I'd like to talk about social media and interviews for your green card. So social media has become a big thing now, of course. It used to be when we would have applications for permanent residence based on marriage that we would ask our clients to bring a bookload of pictures because that is one way to prove that the relationship has been going on. We would ask that these pictures be from whenever they started dating. If they started dating 3 years before they got married, then we'd ask them to bring those photos. Have photos from 3 years before all the way up through marriage, beyond marriage, marriage photos, etc. Well, now that you have a cell phone, and a lot of people have, one, you don't take pictures and then keep them on photo albums, you keep them on your phone. Second, many people have online accounts, Facebook, Instagram, etc., where they display those photos or they have those photos. So in that sense, it's made it easier. It's been helpful because social media can help to prove your case, especially in terms of marriage, because there's always a big question about marriage fraud. So social media accounts can be very helpful in that sense. They're helpful if the information in your social media account, in your social media accounts, and your online presence is consistent with your application. In other words, if you're married, then if I look on your Facebook account, I will expect to see that your status is married, not single. If both of you are on Facebook, I would expect you to both have accounts that say you're married, the husband and the wife, and obviously that you're friends with each other because you're both on Facebook. That would just make sense. But there are other things you have to be careful of. In America, we're all about First Amendment rights, the right to have an opinion, and that is very true. And I would always say that never ends. You should always have the right in the First Amendment to express your political beliefs. At the same time, you also have to remember that if you have any kind of hateful speech, if you say anything that could be considered negative towards one group of people, then you have to be careful that it can't be marked as you being part of some terrorist organization or some terrorist movement or some extreme group.